Hello, Smarties, and welcome again to Punton Kids, your favorite place because we make learning so exciting for you. And I hope you all enjoyed your bread butter sandwich with your mommies last time. And I hope you all didn't forget to subscribe and like. So, we're all ready today for a brand new story. Are you all ready for it? But before that, do you remember what we do every time? Yes, we say our letters. So get set, go with your blocks. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Superb! What do you all deserve? Right, your smiley. That's for all of you, my smarties. So, are we ready for the new story? I'm really excited today. So, let's see who we are going to meet. Who's coming up? Who is this? This is a caterpillar. What is this? Caterpillar. And this caterpillar's name is Curly. What's his name? Curly. Because he loves to curl up like this. What does he like to do? He loves to curl up like this. Okay. So Curly the caterpillar is very, very hungry. He's eaten so many fruits and so many vegetables, but he's still very hungry. So Curly keeps crawling and crawling and crawling. And see what did Curly find? Curly found a cup. And Curly looked into the cup but was very sad. There was nothing in the cup. So Curly kept crawling and crawling and crawling. And who did Curly meet? Curly met the cat. And the cat asked Curly, "What happened to you? Why do you look so sad?" So Curly said, "Because I am very, very hungry." So the cat said, "Don't you worry. Look what I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you some cake." So Curly was very happy. Curly ate the cake. But Curly was still very hungry. You know, caterpillars are always hungry. They eat and eat and eat and eat. So Curly was a caterpillar, so he was hungry. And he kept walking and crawling and looking for food. And then who did Curly meet? Who is this? Cow. Curly met the cow. And the cow asked Curly, "What happened to you? Why do you look so sad?" So Curly said, "I've eaten so many fruits and vegetables, and then the cat gave me some cake, but I'm still very hungry." So the cow said, "Don't you worry, Curly. I have some healthy cabbage for you." So Curly was so excited. Curly ate the cabbage. But Curly was still very hungry, and Curly didn't know what to do and kept saying, "Why am I so hungry all the time? I've eaten fruits, I've eaten vegetables, I've had cake, now I had cabbage, and I'm still hungry." So Curly continued crawling and crawling and crawling, and look whom did Curly meet? Curly met the crab. And the crab asked Curly, "What happened to you? Why do you look so upset?" So Curly said, I don't know why I'm so hungry all the time. I've eaten so many fruits, vegetables, and after that I had cake, and then I had cabbage, and I'm still hungry. So the crab said, don't you worry. I have some carrots for you. What are these? Carrots. So Curly was so happy. He had the carrots. And Curly was shocked because after the carrot he was still hungry. And he crawled and crawled and crawled. And then look who did he meet? He met the camel. And the camel asked Curly, what happened to you? Why are you looking so upset? So Curly told the camel, I don't know what's wrong. The cats gave me cake, but I'm still hungry. The cow gave me cabbage, but I am still hungry. And the crab gave me some carrots, but I am still hungry. I just don't know what to do. And I'm hungry and hungry all the time. So the camel said, don't you worry, Curly. I have some yummy, yummy corn for you. What is this? Corn. So Curly was so happy. He had the corn. And after the corn, Curly said, yes, now I'm feeling better. After some cake and cabbage and carrots and corn. Let me see what is the time. So Curly saw the clock and said, oh my God, it's late, it's time to sleep. So Curly, what did he do? He loves to curl. So he took a cap and he curled in the cap. See, Curly curled in the cap and went to sleep. Fast asleep. And when Curly woke up, Curly was not Curly the caterpillar anymore. Curly turned into a beautiful, colorful butterfly. And Curly flew away. Yes? Say bye to the butterfly. So, oh my babies, did you all enjoy this story? Yes? Who is this? Yes? This is Curly the caterpillar. And what was happening to Curly? What was happening to Curly? All the time, what happened to him? He was hungry. Curly was hungry all the time. What all did Curly eat? Let's see. Curly had some corn. And Curly had some carrots. And Curly had some cake. And Curly had something more. Yes? Cabbage. And who gave all these to Curly? Let's see. Curly met the cow. And Curly met the cats. And Curly met the crab. And he met the camel. Yes? So Curly met all animals and food items. I can think of a letter that makes the sound. Can you think of one? Think. Put on your thinking caps. Come on. Wear your thinking caps. Let me see. I think it's letter C. C says K. C says K. This is the uppercase C. And we have the lowercase c. See, that's the uppercase C and lowercase c. And how is the letter C? Just like curly, it loves to, see, hold your fingers like that, it loves to curl. Just like curly, है ना? Curly curled up and went to sleep in the cap. So letter C, see, it curls up like curly. Come on, all of you, hold your fingers straight like this, one finger and thumb, and curl it. K. K. Yes? So the letter is C, the sound is K, and the action is K. Come on, all of you again. The letter is C. So C says K. C says K. Come on, everyone. C says K. Curl up like curly. Very good. So, did you all enjoy the story? Yes, that was so much fun, right? I loved it when Curly curled up and went to sleep in the cap and then turned into a beautiful butterfly. Amazing, right? How Curly turned into a beautiful butterfly? Yes, very good. So, tell me who remembers what are we going to do now? Think. C says K. K as in cap. Put on your thinking caps and think what are we going to do next? Absolutely right. Come on, run. Run to the kitchen and get your steel plates and some clay or dough. All of you. Run, I'm waiting. So, all of you all are back with your plates and some clay or dough. And I think today I'm not going to tell you. You can do this on your own. Yes? How do you make letters and numbers? What do you have to first do? Take a small piece. And what are you going to do? Tell me. Very good. Roll it out into a snake. See, just make a small snake today. Because what are we going to do to this snake? Yes, you're going to keep it straight like this. Yes. And who is this? See, this is Curly. Yeah, this is almost like your Curly. Imagine this is Curly the caterpillar. Yeah, now make your Curly, make him stand. Now make your Curly stand. Okay, see, Curly is standing. And what does he love to do? He loves to curl. So let us just curl him up. And there, we made your letter C. C says K. Come on, what's the action? K. C says K. Now let's take our pointer finger, start from top and make a curly K. Come on, now let's take our pointer finger, start from up and make a curly K. What is this? Curly K. Yes? Very good. Good job. And a big smiley for all of you. What about the little K, the lowercase K? What are we going to do? We are just going to make this into a smaller snake. Okay, just break it and make it into a smaller snake. And now curl it up. So this becomes your lowercase K. It's a smaller one. That's your lowercase K. There. Now let's take our pointer finger. Take it, start from up and make a curly K. This is letter C. C says K. So the letter is C, the sound is K and the action is K. Curly K. Brilliant, superb. So, did we enjoy the story? Did you like Curly? Yes, I loved the story because I loved the way the Curly turned into the butterfly, like I said. Amazing. So we are done for today, but I'm sure you'll all remember before we say goodbye, we have some homework for next time. So come on, mommies and daddies, bhaiyas and sisters, didis, y'all can take a photograph of the worksheet. And what are my babies going to do before we meet next time? We are going to write the letter C at least 10 times. Yes? And what are we going to do? We are going to color Curly the caterpillar. See who's this? Curly the caterpillar. And over here, we are going to color all the objects that begin with the K sound. Okay? Come on, let's see what are we going to color. When I say the word camera, camera, do you hear the K sound? Yes, very good. So, you are all going to color the camera. And when I say the word carrot, carrot, do you hear the K sound? Yes, very good. So, we are going to color the carrots. Can you hear the K sound? Yes. So, we are going to color the carrots. And when I say candle, candle, do you hear the K sound? Yes. So, we are going to color the candle. And when I say the word bat, bat, do you hear the K sound? No. So, we are not going to color the bat. Okay? So, all of you, please do your homework before you come back to class next time for the next letter. And what are we going to learn from this story is to eat healthy carrots. So, while I go wash my carrots, peel them and eat them, please do subscribe and like. So, see you next time. Take care till then. Bye bye.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें